Hey everyone, if you're looking to keep your Gmail inbox organized and tidy, today I'm going to show you how to add a folder right from your phone. Let's dive in and get your email sorted. First things first, open your Gmail app. Now tap on the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and you will be seeing labels. Simply tap on Create New and tap on label name. For example, school. You can name it anything you want. Tap on Save. As you can see, your label is now saved. Now, to move an email into your new label, simply go to your inbox. Open the email you want to organize. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Move. From here, you can move your email. Tap on School. Scroll down and tap on School. Here you can see your email is now moved into your school label. And that's it. We have just created a new folder. Now you can keep your emails super organized and easy to find. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and tap the notification bell for more tips. Got any questions or need more help? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.